Hi, this is Freddie Thomas with Keller Williams Premier Properties. I'm here today with my good friend Glen Marino with First Centennial Mortgage. In the past, we talked about how home ownership became easy with down payment assistance program, but you must have at least 640 credit score. Hey Glen, what if my client doesn't have a 640 credit score? Is there something called credit rescoring, or how does that work?
Great question, Freddie. As you mentioned, the down payment assistance programs require a minimum of 640. So if someone comes to you or I and they say, I really would like to become a homeowner, but when we run credit, it's at a 580, it's at a 610. So they don't really have that first green light, 640 or better. Well, there is this item called Credit Rescoring, where we have what's called a what if tool. It's a what if analyzer, and what we'll look at is what if they were to pay down that credit card. Maybe they had a $500 credit limit, they're at 480. We might say, how many points would my credit improve if I brought it from 480, my outstanding balance, say down to $100? What if I had a collection on my credit report that was holding my score down, and I said, what if I paid off this collection? And then again, what if there was a past due amount that was on my credit report? And we go into the what if analyzer and we say, what if we brought this current? So each one of those steps, the what if analyzer will tell us how many points our credit score can increase each time. So we might have them do all 3 steps, we might have them do 2 steps, because again, we're trying to get it to at least a 640 or better. So it's a great tool. We'll send them away, we'll give them their homework, we'll give them their action steps, and their homework, their job, is to bring back to us the pieces of paper showing, yes, I did pay this collection off. Here's the paid receipt. Yes, here's my latest Visa statement. My balance is no longer $480, it's $100. Oh, and here is my receipt saying that I'm no longer past due. I'm now current on this particular credit item. With that documentation, we can then send it into our credit agency, and they will send it to the bureaus, and we'll get a brand new score. Once it's above 640, we're getting them pre-approved, and you're going to go out and show them some housing.
Oh, great. So, Glen, again, I hear something called credit repair. How is it different from credit rescoring?
Great question. Great question. Some clients that we see when we run credit, they've been chronic non-payers. They've got collection accounts. They've got past dues of student loans, of credit cards, of automobile loans. Their credit scores are in the 400s to low 500s. Those are people that need their hand held. They need a credit repair company. A couple of good reasons would be, one, they need help and assistance in negotiating with those creditors. A lot of times those creditors will take less than 100 cents on the dollar. So a credit repair company, having the experience in the negotiating, they will help them to bring those outstanding items to a paid status. The second thing that they can do is they can help them reestablish credit. Because again, that's all part of increasing your credit scores, to get some trade lines that are active and working. So what they might do is help them get what's called a secured credit card. It might be $100, it might be $200 with a Visa. They're going to send Visa, $100 or $200. That'll be the collateral, and they're going to use the credit card, pay it back monthly. Use the credit card, pay it back, and start building a credit history of being able to use credit and pay it back on a timely basis. This is all done with credit repair companies.
Okay, great. So if you need any assistance or any more information about the credit repair or credit rescoring, don't hesitate to contact us. And my contact information is 630-344-9715. And Glen, if they would like to get in hold of you, how would they contact you?
They can contact me, Glen Marino, at First Centennial Mortgage. You can reach me. My phone number is area code 630. It's 788-7859. And my email address is g.marino, M-A-R-I-N-O, @gofcm.com. Well, Freddie, we enjoyed having them join us today, and we'll be back next week with another tip of the week for you.
Great, thanks, and you have a good week. We'll see you next week.